Hello children, we have already recited this poem Ice Cream Man from class 5 English. Today we'll look at the exercise questions of this poem. So let's begin. First question is, in which season is ice cream popular? Just think about it. In which season do you love to eat ice creams? You can get an idea from this image. Answer is, ice cream is popular in summer season. Next question, who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Answer is, children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Children love to see ice cream man because children love to eat ice creams. Third question, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. So, as you can remember in the poem, there were different flavors of ice cream with the ice cream man. Can you name those flavors? Identify from these pictures. This one is vanilla. This one is chocolate. And this one is strawberry. So, vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. These were the different flavors of the ice creams the ice cream man had in his cart. Fourth question, what are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man was selling ice creams and one more thing. Can you remember? This picture will give you the answer. He was selling ice creams and cold drinks. The ice cream man is selling ice creams and cold drinks. Fifth question is, what is the ice cream cart is compared to in the poem? Ice cream cart is compared to one thing in the poem. What is that thing? Ice cream cart is compared to the flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Why a flower bed? Because just like honey bees cluster on a flower bed, children cluster around the ice cream cart. These are the flower beds of roses and sweet peas. Now next question is, circle the words with sound Z. So say aloud these words and hear the sound properly. If you get a sound of Z, then put a circle around that word. Let's begin. Price, rice, lazy. Hear the word properly. Lazy. So you get a sound of Z in this. Z. Lazy. Raise. Again you get the sound of Z here. So now this, here you get sound of S only, not Z. Price, yes. Rise, yes. Here the S is giving you sound of Z. Lacy, no. Race, no. These, again here you are getting sound of Z. These, Z. Maze, again yes. Blaze, yes. Busy, again yes, you are getting sound of Z. Raise, yes. Frosty, no, you are getting sound of S here. Face, no. Fizz, yes. Racy, no. Ace, no. Chase, yes. So these are the words where you get the sound of Z. Lazy, raise, prize, rise, these, maze, blaze, busy, raise, fizz and chase. Now next, list the activities you can do in summer. There are a variety of activities that you do in the season of summer. Just think about them and write. Here are few activities. First is swimming. Next, going for picnic in the evening. Next, enjoying eating ice creams. Drawing and painting. As it is very hot outside in summers, you enjoy drawing and painting at home. Reading storybooks. So these are the activities that you can do in summer. You can write more activities that you like to do in summer season. Now complete these exercise questions. Thank you.